Hello viewers, welcome back to Coding Search, the next era of learning. Today in this video I am going to explain you about the conversion of signed int data type to unsigned int data type by a simple example. So let me create a new file, signed to unsigned dot c. Here I am going to show you an example. Say has include radio.h and has include limits.h int main, and now declare a variable unsigned int plus underscore 1 equals to I am assigning the value 1, and another variable that is int, or you can set that signed int because int is by default the signed integer type. So int minus 1, and I am assigning the value minus 1, and let me display the value using the printf value of plus 1 equals to %u, the format specifier for unsigned integer, comma the variable name that is plus 1, and value of minus 1, the variable name is minus 1. I am using here the %u, the format specifier for the unsigned, and one more value I want to display here, that is value of upper limit or limit of unsigned int is equals to %u, and I am using the constant that is uint max defined in the limits.h header file. Let me compare plus 1 and minus 1. If plus 1 is greater than minus 1, and if plus 1 is greater than minus 1, plus 1 is greater than minus 1, else printf surprise. So save it and open a terminal to compile. So gcc, and the file name is signed to unsigned dot c. It's compiled successfully. So let me run /a and enter. Here you can see in the output that the value of plus 1 is 1, but the value of minus 1 is showing 4294967295. This is the implicit type conversion of int to unsigned int, because I initialized the value of minus 1 is minus 1 for the signed int. You can see over here. Here I have initialized minus 1 to the variable minus 1, but in output it is showing the value of minus 1 is this much, and the value of upper limit of unsigned int is also equals to 4294967295. This is equal to the value of minus 1 what is showing over here. So this is the implicit type conversion by the compiler, because I am showing here the value of minus 1 in the form of unsigned integer, and after comparison, if plus 1 is greater than minus 1, by numeric value you can say that plus 1 is greater than to the minus 1, but the compiler is comparing both the variable by implicit type conversion of minus 1 to the unsigned int data type, and unsigned int variables cannot store the negative value. That's why to compare signed int and unsigned int, first of all compiler has to convert the signed int to the unsigned int, and by the C99 standard, to convert any negative number or to convert any signed int data type into unsigned int data type, the upper limit of unsigned int data type plus 1 is either subtracted or added to the signed int data type. So if you add over here the upper limit of the unsigned int data type plus 1, here if you add upper limit plus 1 means upper limit is how much? 4294967295 plus 1 plus the value of minus 1 will give the result this much. So I hope it's clear to you now that how the implicit conversion takes place from signed int to unsigned int. I'll give you some more example in the coming video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time.